How to see 8 malls in one day. When you're in the Makati district of Manila, you can head to the Greenbelt district and see 8 malls all grouped in one area. I decided to walk there, approaching from the north along Ayala Avenue. It's really easy to get around. There's these great escalators over all the roads, and there's heaps of signs everywhere to tell you how to get to Greenbelt. The first mall I found was Greenbelt number 5, probably the biggest of the lot. In case you're wondering why they call it Greenbelt, have a go at this. Just over there is the Greenbelt Chapel, the big round building. It's time to head into Greenbelt 3 to make my way over to the landmark. I'm on my way to Glorietta, currently in Greenbelt 3. So there's Greenbelt behind me. Landmark across the road, so the idea is to go through Landmark on the way to Glorietta Mall. There's a really convenient link to cross the road between Greenbelt and Landmark. Looks like we're in Glorietta proper now. I'm looking for a whole bunch of camera stores. I think this is the place to go. Oh darn, looks like I walked right through Landmark and didn't even notice. I think it was the giant department store I walked through. Lost. This place is just a non-stop maze of shopping malls. SM going one way, Glorietta, Landmark, Greenbelt 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, non-stop shopping. It's really easy to get to SM Makati Mall. It's linked to Glorietta Mall. Makati, it's time to head back through Glorietta on the way to the landmark. Quick coffee at Starbucks on the way. There's nearly as many Starbucks as there are Jollibee stores. Just got to follow the signs back to Landmark and Greenbelt now. It's pretty good, there's signs everywhere. Now it's back through the Landmark, which is basically a giant department store. Now it's back to Greenbelt. And I'm looking for Greenbelt 1, 2 and 4. So I found Greenbelt number 4. It's a fancy one with Gucci and all the high-end stores. Greenbelt number 3 is a little bit fancy. It's got a Louis Vuitton store. The last ones I get to are Greenbelt number 2 and Greenbelt number 1. They're a little bit more old-fashioned malls. And now it's back to where it all started at Greenbelt number 5. Couldn't go home without going back to the Landmark to buy a little bit of men's apparel. So after walking 11 kilometres and covering 8 shopping malls in Makati, Manila, it's time to head home in my Grab taxi.